I'm going to explain you about Photoshop tools, hidden tools and shortcuts. You will learn how the toolbar is organized and how to access the many hidden tools in Photoshop. So let's start. First, let me tell you about Photoshop tools in toolbar. And we have various sections in toolbar. First section is Move tool and Selection tool. Move tool is used to move layer and selection in the document. About selection tools, we can select anything in the document using selection tools. But we have various types of selection tools in Photoshop. Each will be used for certain purposes. I have already uploaded a video regarding basic selection tool with an example. I will share the link in the description. Check it out. Moving to the second section, Crop tool and Slice tool. Crop tool. It will crop the image and expands the edges of an image. Slice tools. Used for creating web images. The Slice tool creates rectangular slices from which you can export individual graphics. And we can use those in TrimViewer software. Slice tool only used when we create web page designs and app interface designs. Third section in tools panel is measurement tools. Here in this section we have ruler tool and eyedropper tool. Ruler tool is used to measure the length of an image area. Mostly I don't use this tool. Eyedropper, the most important tool in Photoshop while designing, especially while choosing colors. Eyedropper is used for picking the color. Fourth section in tools panel is retouching and painting tools. The most important section in Photoshop. In retouching tool, we have clone stamp tool, pattern stamp, healing brush, patch tool and color replacement tool, etc. In these tools, I have explained you about clone stamp tool with an example. We'll explain you about other tools with an example soon. Each tools in retouching section can do many. In painting tools, we have brush tool, gradient tool and blur tool, etc. About gradient tool and brush tool, I have explained you in a video. As I said before, check the link in the description. In this video, I am just showing you how many sections are there in tools panel and little bit about the use of the tool. This helps you to understand the tools in Photoshop. The last section in tools panel, drawing and type tools. Drawing tools are pen tools, default shapes and selection tools for shapes. Type tool means text tool. Here in this 5 section of tools panel, we have completed the last section fully. I have explained you about pen tools, text tools and default shapes and selection for shapes with an examples in a video. I will share the link in the description. These are the overview about tools panel. Now let's see about hidden tools in toolbar. Here you can see that in the tools bar, only one selection tool is visible. Other tools are hidden. To make them visible, just select and hold. All the selection tool will visible like this. Shortcut for this rectangular marquee tool is M. If I am planning to move from rectangular marquee tool to the another tool in the same section, I should use Shift plus M, a shortcut in the keyboard. This is about hidden tools in toolbar. Shortcuts in Photoshop. To duplicate a layer, it's Ctrl plus J. To transform a shape or any selection, it's Ctrl plus T. Press Ctrl plus 0 to make the document fit to screen. Open brace and close brace in the keyboard is used to reduce and increase the size of the brush. Ctrl plus and Ctrl minus is zoom in and zoom out. Ctrl plus backspace is to fill the foreground color in the document. Alt plus backspace is used to fill the background color in the document. To shuffle between foreground and background color, use X in the keyboard. These are the basic shortcuts used while working. Shortcuts for tools are very important while working. For example, the pen tool shortcut is P and the text tool shortcut is T. So like that, we have more shortcuts in Photoshop. If we practice, we can learn these things easy. Finally, this is the overview about tools panel, hidden tools and few shortcuts in Photoshop. In the next video, we'll teach you about retouching tools one by one with an example. I hope the tips and tricks in this video was helpful. Thank you.